some particular blockchains will have their own wallets. So Lisk is a good example. You have to download their web-based wallet, similar to Rise. We also have Neo, which has a couple of different wallets that it uses. You can look to download those wallets. And you can also, again, many cryptos go on to the hardware wallets, so you can utilize the Neo wallet and link that in with Ledger NOS. Now, one of the wallets I wanted to bring to your attention was Exodus. Now, Exodus is quite a good web-based wallet where you can have multiple different types of cryptocurrencies on it. So you've got Dash, you've got Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Amisa Go, Litecoin, Golem. You can see it's quite a big list there. You can also personalize it so you can get rid of the tokens that you don't want on there. And it also has a built-in exchange, so you can change between different cryptos and an exchange. It won't let me do it because I don't actually have any funds on there. I don't use Exodus purely because I have a hardware wallet. But I think if I didn't have a hardware wallet, if I only had a small amount of crypto, I would probably use Exodus. I think it's really user-friendly. When you hold a few cryptos, this all changes colour, so it shows your portfolio and how it's broken down. So visually it looks really good. And again, if you're looking to use it, you just look at the particular token that you have, and then you can just click receive, and then what it will do is it will give you an address that you can actually then fund. What you would do in that case is, if you were using an exchange, so I bought, here I've got 9 EOS tokens, I would hit withdraw. Then all I would need to do, excuse me, all I would then need to do is click my receive button, which will generate the address. I then copy this address, put it in Max, explains the actual fee, so the cost of actually making that withdrawal, and then send. And again, because it's a Ethereum based token, you can click and track your transfer of tokens as well. So the other good thing about Exodus is they have quite a good development roadmap. So they've got OX, Bancor, Fatcom, First Blood, Metal, Ripple, Status, Wings, Zcash, all in beta. They're also planning to bring in Neo. NEM is under evaluation. They're also looking at Qtum mainnet. So Qtum is actually an Ethereum based token at the moment, because they're actually looking, actually I'm not 100% right on that, it might be Bitcoin, but ultimately the Qtum mainnet is going to be a different token, so they're actually looking at bringing that on as well. I need to double check that, I might just give you false information. And they're also looking at building in second factor authentication, and also bringing in hardware wallet support and Bitcoin SegWit transactions, which is really important to keep transactions down. So that is quite good. When you first set up your Exodus, a lot of people get concerned because they think, I can't put a password. You can, but it won't let you do it until you actually credit. So once you send some funds to it, you can then set the password, and then, as you can see on the development roadmap, they'll look to give you access to have a second step authentication as well. So what I also wanted to talk about was My Ether wallet. So My Ether wallet is quite popular. A lot of people use it when they first come in because it does allow you to take part in ICOs, and it also ICOs, and it also allows you to hold Ethereum. So when you actually create your first wallet, so all you would do is set a password. So let's go ABC123. As you can imagine, I'm not going to be using this in the future. You create your, it's got to be at least 9 characters, so let's change that. So let's go. So create a password.